Brother, wave to the camera. Yeah, my
Food-Farrell, you don't know. Don't you forget, come check it out.
Get a scoop, come get a scoop.
Jerk barbecue.
Everything.
678 Young Street, downtown. I look forward to see you. Check.
Hey, man. No. Yeah, man. Just tell them everything, man.
Alright, anytime you want to put Jamaican food, the Circle of Diners now. 678 Young Street, downtown. I look forward to see you. Check it.
Bless me, General. If you want to check something from my channel, just say hi. You're shy. Oh my God. The cute people are always shy. That's crazy. Hey, brother.
Get a scoop, come get a scoop.
Thank you. Our channel's called Food-Farrell, so if you want to go check it out, just be posting like tomorrow or something like that, you know what I mean? Bless.
This one look.
Don't mind if they go to shop, you know. You have city for long. Jerk barbecue.
Everything.
Everything, the whole world, you know what I'm saying?
Everything.
The finest curves.
So the channel.
Alright.
Goodbye. Bless up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
So if you ever want to see, just check out Food-Farrell. Farrell, yeah. Food-Farrell. No, what do you call what you're making? Crisp potato. Do you guys have a shop? Like, no? hey.
You too.
How's it going, guys? Pop the balloon. Come on down to Toronto. Pop the balloons for the prize. All
Right.
weekend long.
All weekend.
All weekend.
Bless it up. You guys like have a storage just for the event?
I don't think we have.
Oh, it's just. For my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hi guys.
My boss.
No, just say on my YouTube channel. No, I'm just passing through. I didn't even know this was going on. Stop this. With them all bless up the tree.
But anyway, tomorrow, same time, same place. Hope the kids are them ready. We're gonna do the same and a little different in between time.
What's up, brother?
We might bring a special element. I'm not telling you what it is. It's a soft pen. Somebody will be fighting with the crowd.
No, it's YouTube.
Tomorrow.
YouTube. It's called Food-Farrell. So you see Farrell? But take up the corner. Just put Food-Farrell.
So somebody will be attacking the crowd tomorrow. So if you're down to see that fight,
All right.
we don't fight human beings, we fight crowd. So you gotta put it in the pot and eat it up. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to joke your child is going to be there. Especially the fire is here. Make sure everybody's having a good time, smiling, take care of the kids and them. Tonight, we're telling you have a wonderful evening. I will see you tomorrow, same time, the most I got say. Give thanks and praises. Always report to He who created this heaven and earth. Don't forget that. One love to everybody. Fire Tennessee. Cut!
Rasta. Say something for my channel now. Say something for my channel now.
Lord have mercy, hear this man. Hold on one for me.
Just say something for my channel.
This is Fire 10 right here at Kiel and Dufferin. You don't know, Kiel and Eglinton all the way down the road. But what we're doing here today, it is the festival of a lifetime on Eglinton. And we have here with us
Food-Farrell.
Food-Farrell, you don't know. Don't you forget, come check it out. Wherever him there, east, west, north and south, him gonna shout you and let you know his mobile. Badang!
On Sunday, we have he's performing with us at Culinary.
Once again, that was Fire 10. They're going to be back again tomorrow for another show. We'll be back again tomorrow. We're going to keep playing some music for you. You guys are awesome. Enjoy the afternoon. My name is Trevor from The Trevor Show. Let's go.